If you want to get 100 times better results from ChatGPT, Claude or Gemini, this trick is going to change everything for you. What's up everyone? So here's the thing. Most people are absolutely terrible at prompting AI. Like really bad. And I used to be one of them until I discovered something called the master prompt. This literally transformed how I use AI. And I'm about to show you exactly how to set it up so you get incredible results every single time. Here's what happens. Us humans are pretty bad at talking to AI. We give very vague instructions, we miss important details, and we don't speak the AI's language. But here's the crazy part. What if I told you AI is actually amazing at prompting other AIs? Think about it, who better to know what to talk to AI apart from another AI? So instead of going human straight to AI, we are going to go human to AI to AI. And trust me, this literally changes everything. Now, what is this master prompt? It's literally like having an AI whisperer sitting right next to you. It is a special prompt that you give to ChatGPT to turn it into a prompting expert. Alright, let me show you how to do this super easy. First, open ChatGPT and create a new project. So right now we are in ChatGPT. I'll go ahead and create a new project. Now I can give it the name master. You click on create project. Once it's created, you're going to add the master prompt. I left this prompt in the description below, so you're basically going to copy it and paste it. Now over these three dots, you click on it and select add instructions. Now you go ahead and paste in your master prompt as an instruction. You go ahead and click on save. Now this is exactly how you're going to use this master prompt. Now we are going to tell it which AI we want it to prompt for. Okay, for example, I want it to give me a prompt for Claude, so I'm going to start with detail with Claude. Go ahead to give your reason. Let me say I'm trying to get an AI prompt that will give me Twitter posts for my cryptocurrency page. You can go ahead and say all I want to do is paste an idea and you give me seed tweets. Now when you press run, it's either going to ask you some follow-up questions or go straight to give you your results. So basically you need to have this first line, detail with Claude or detail with ChatGPT, to tell it the platform that you want, whatever platform you want it to give you the prompts for, and you go ahead to give your reason however you want it. Now let's go ahead and run it. Now basically we are going to skip all of this because we are already used detail with Claude and go to where our prompt is. Now you can see your optimized prompt for Claude. This is it, you basically copy it. Now this is a detailed prompt that is going to get you the best possible results out there. And that's it. You now have the secret to getting incredible results from AI. This master prompt literally saved me hours of trial and error. And now I'm getting incredible results straight away. If you found this helpful, please make sure you smash that like button. It helps me know you want more of this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I'm constantly sharing the latest AI tips, tricks, and tools. The master prompt is in the description below. It is completely free. Copy, paste, and use it. Let me know in the comments what you're planning to use this for. Are you going to use it for content creation? Get better at coding or write killer emails? I want to hear it. Now see you in me next.